Oh, hang tight eh.
Grabe.
Ayan, ako napakagagaling naman. Mga ka-MB at napakaganda ng mga kasuotan ng ating mga bisita for today. Pansin mo?
Galing nila, pati umaura. No?
Pati rampahan, ibang-iba, di ba? Siyempre,
Yan.
ang nasa likod ng mga creations na ito, walang iba, kundi si Ma'am Stephanie Degawan, ang fashion designer ng Cauliflower. Hello, Ma'am, how are you?
How's your
Ayan.
morning, ma'am?
Very, very excited po.
Very excited.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero bago natin na mapuntahan ang obra ni Ma'am Stephanie, kilalanin muna natin itong mga batang ito. Kasi itong isa kilala na natin.
Kilala ko na yung isa dyan.
Kilala na natin
Nagpapicture
ito.
na ganyan kami
Oo.
noon.
Anong name natin, baby?
Chris na po.
Chris na. Siyempre, once again,
Hello, it's Kendra Maya.
Cantor.
Sandra Maya. Ganyan ka siya.
It's okay, and?
Hi, I'm Sean po.
Sean. Oh, si Sean Kingston.
No, it's
Ay,
not.
hindi ba?
No.
And?
I'm Charlie Wilodina Villas.
Oh.
No.
Sino ka dyan?
Oo.
Lost ka dyan.
Grabe, ang energetic ng mga model mo, Ma'am Stephanie, ha? Nakakatuwa. Etong collection po na ito ay ano pong tawag ninyo? Including mine.
Actually,
Oo.
This is actually part of my denim Alice in Wonderland collection.
Napansin mo?
yung kay Kanja. Kanja.
Kay
Oo, yung kay
Queen.
Ken. Ito,
Queen
yung-
of
oo,
Hearts.
Ito yung kay Queen of Hearts.
Tapos
ito
si Alice.
Alice, and then yung si White Princess, right? Tama.
White Rabbit.
Oh, yung
White
White
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Akala ko yung White Princess.
Di ba
I'm sorry.
candy yun, Chas?
No.
Tapos,
Ayun. So, ayun po. So, basically, si Queen of Hearts, si Mad Hatter, si Alice, syempre, and then si White Rabbit, and then, syempre, yung sayo po is actually Tweedledee.
Tweedledee. Oo,
Yes.
Tweedledee,
Remember
Tweedledee.
it.
Yes, at itong collection na ito ay inirampa during the Revitalize 2025. Diba? Paano po kayo napasok sa mundo ng fashion?
Actually po, nag-start siya, I think when I was young, gumagawa na po talaga ako ng mga costumes ko for Christmas and for Halloween. Kaso yung love ko pa talaga or yung appreciation ko for fashion and designing started nung pandemic.
Pandemic pa.
Yes, kasi I lived in Metro Manila alone. Tapos syempre yung nung time na yon, you have like, since you live alone, tas bawal lumabas, close ang everything. Yung ang dami ko pong anxieties. So parang nung time na yon, I decided na I'll do something creative para hindi yung mga negative thoughts yung nasa mind ko. So nag-start po ako to create outfits out of my existing outfits na kasi parang bawal nga pong lumabas. So yung mga damit ko na dati, yun na lang yung mga pinagka-cut ko, tapos pinagtatahi ko siya to make new outfits.
Nabanggit niyo, ma'am, na parang
Recycled.
it's been, kailan pa? How many years na? parang 7 years na po
Yes.
simula po nung nag-start kayong magkaroon ng sarili nyong design. Pero
Yes.
dito ma'am, ma'am, kailan nyo po na-realize na gusto nyong gawin full-time na itong pagdidesenyo?
Actually po, nag-start siya nung, I think nung Panagbenga 2025. Kasi my goddaughter, si Willow po kasi, nag-join siya for Little Miss Panagbenga. So I made a few of her outfits and then natuwa naman po kasi yung mga audience nun and the other parents. So ayun, nagkaroon na po ako ng mga contact. And then eventually, na-contact po ako nung MCPT, nung modeling agency nila to create the outfit. So ganun po nag-start.
Ma'am, paano nyo po masasabi or ano po yung sa tingin ninyo, yung style po ninyo sa pagsa-fashion design?
Well, usually po my style, as much as possible, I want it to be wearable. At least, ayun nga, hindi siya nagsa-stand out. It blends in, but then at the same time, it's also memorable or it's also a showstopper. So if you noticed, yung mga tops nila, it's basically a normal design, pero I wanted na, ayun nga, it would still stand out or people would still notice them. Kaya yung mga tutu skirts.
Parang ang
colorful.
hirap. Opo, ang hirap po magkaroon ng halos iba't iba yung disenyo from top to bottom. Saan po kayo kumukuha, ma'am, ng inspiration dito?
Well, usually sa mga movies or sa books, usually fictional characters. So I think also it helps when I met all of them kasi they're so young and they're so youthful. So parang, let's do Alice in Wonderland. So depende din po kasi sa mga models. So I think nung na-meet ko sila, ayun nga po, parang nakakatuwa kasi napaka-youthful and napaka-unique nila. So from there, I realized na bagay sa kanila yung Alice in Wonderland in the TV.
And since we're already on your collection po na Alice in Wonderland, pwede niyo po ba kaming bigyan ng idea dun sa process ng paggawa ng mga damit na ito from like, from recycling other materials into these new creations?
Okay. So yung mga denims po, actually originally pants and mga jeans at saka mga coat na puro maong or denim. So pinagka-cut ko pa sila into squares or half circles like yung suot po ni Miss Bea or etong suot ko ngayon, it's also half circles. So pinagka-cut ko po sila and then from there, inisip ko na po kung ano yung style or at least ano yung personality ng magsusuot. So doon ko na po siya binagay actually. Tas the tutus also are actually yung fabric nila dati. Galing siya sa yung mga evening gowns. Tapos pinagka-cut ko na lang. Tapos pag kulang na lang ako ng fabric, tsaka ako nag-a-add or tsaka na lang ako bumibili. Kaya if you can see yung outfit po ni Miss Chris na dalawang shades siya, it's red and black.
Yeah. What interests me
What
ay yung
interests you?
yung mismong skirt ni Alice.
Yes.
Move forward tayo, darling. Ayan, tignan nyo kasi ang dami niyang texture tapos iba-iba pa yung
Design?
kanyang material na ginamit.
Yes.
Gaano po katagal ang gumawa ng isang ganito?
This one actually, this took me a day. Kasi
Yeah.
ito pong skirt, school uniform po to talaga.
Oh.
Yung black and white?
Yung black and white.
Hindi na
School
nag-aano.
uniform
Opo.
siya. So, bonggang plansya lang para ma-flat out. So, tas kinat ko na lang siya to make that shape. So, it's still a circular skirt. So, plinansya ko na lang siya para hindi kita yung lines.
Oo.
Tapos, eto po is old bedsheet.
Oo.
Ay, ayun yung sa ilalim niya.
Yung sa ilalim niya. Bedsheet po yan.
Ay, ang galing.
Yes.
Tapos plus eto na, Tapos yung
Ito po,
styling niya, ang ganda.
So, eto, matagal ko na po siyang tinatagong tela. Kasi maganda din kasi siya, nakita ko lang po siya sa ukay one time. Tapos parang, one day I will make an outfit out of that. So, yun. Actually, eto din po, bulsa ng pants. Na
Maong?
cargo pants, yes.
Denim.
Kasi maganda yung design niya.
Design,
Harap sa
yes.
camera. Maganda yung
Ganda.
design. So, ayun.
Hindi ka ba nauubusan ng design, ma'am?
Thank you so much.
Tignan mo sa Alice. Sa dami-dami.
Oo.
Hindi ka ba nauubusan, ma'am, ng ideas?
Pag minsan po, pero kasi there are just so many things in the world na maganda talaga siyang inspiration. So as long as you notice or you observe other things and other people, marami pa talagang magandang inspiration.
Yeah. Like this one, harap tayo, little girl. Tignan mo ito. Denim to.
Denim siya.
Tapos cut out lang siya. Tapos parang pinapatong mo lang siya. So pwede mo siyang gamitin sa ibang outfit.
Yes.
Oo.
Uy, ang gara.
Ang maganda dito sa mga gawa ni Ma'am Stephanie, pwede mo siyang i-mix and match, tapos pwede mo siyang gamitin sa normal clothes mo, parang pang-accentuate mo lang siya.
Oh,
Yes.
Alam mo, kasi yan sa akin.
Eto. Pwede po nating i-alter. Tanggalan natin siguro ng mga 10 hearts. Thank you so much. Ma'am, ano po yung mga challenges natin nung nag-uumpisa pa lang kayo na mag-design?
Well, usually po yung mga challenges po talaga is like magugustuhan po ba siya nung susuot? Kasi for me, it's important that it's comfortable sa susuot and also magugustuhan siya nung mismong model or yung mismong client natin. Kasi makikita naman po sa face niya kung hindi natutuwa yung model mo or yung client mo sa outfit, hindi din magsha-shine yung aura niya kumbaga. So, I think yun yung pinaka-challenge. Sometimes I have to like ask yung client or yung ating model, are you happy with this design? Because kung hindi, i-alter natin or i-modify natin and we'll find a way to make it fit your style.
Oh, totoo. Tanungin natin si little girl. Halika
Kanina
dito,
pa siya
Kasi-
aura ng aura.
Kasi tingnan mo yung face niya,
Oo.
talagang halatang dito ka.
Sabi niya
Halatang
kanina, oh.
nag-e-enjoy siya dito sa outfit niya. How do you feel wearing Ma'am Stephanie's design?
I feel good po. It's very comfortable po, and it's a very good dress to wear po because I can move around in it po very well.
Oo nga.
Oh? I'm just joking!
Can you wear this going to school,
School?
daw?
No po.
No? Why not? Oh, you can naman.
Because you need to wear a uniform.
Ah,
po.
yeah. That's
Oo
right.
nga naman
Totoo.
kasi. You have to follow the rules of the school.
Yeah, pag nag-college ka na, pwede na. Charot.
Yeah.
Pero
sa-
actually po, yung outfit niya, this can also turn into a skirt.
Top and a
So,
skirt.
Yes, so ayan po may strap siya. If feel niyang para maging Ariana Grande style. Pero
Totoo.
pwede din po siyang gawing skirt.
Actually, nakita ko yung heels niya palang kanina. Nakita ko yung heels niya kanina. Sabi ko, Ariana Grande, itong batang ito.
Yes. Thank you very much, little girl.
Pero, syempre, ma'am, ito pang ilan na ano nyo na po ito, ma'am? Pang ilan na design nyo na po ito?
This
Collection.
This is actually my very first fashion show. Kasi most of the time, I do like yung mga outfits for pageant. So, ayun, ito po yung first na fashion show ko. Tapos, I will have another one next week sa September 20.
Pero ano po yung pinakaunang-unang dinesign ninyo, ma'am?
Yung pinakaunang-unang dinesign ko, I think is for a Christmas party for my sister. She wants to dress as she wants to dress up as Belle from Beauty and the Beast. So, challenging po kasi din yun kasi syempre nasa Baguio City tayo, so yung mga materials, it's very hard to come by. So, ayun, kung ano lang po yung kasi we only have like 1 or 2 shops here in Baguio City. So, whatever they have, you have to make do. And you really have to be creative. Yun.
Saan niyo po nakikita yung design na thoughts ninyo or yung design journey ninyo?
Well, hopefully po kasi I think I still have a lot of things to learn. So I think magandang opportunity po yung nakiki-join din ako sa mga fashion shows kasi at least I see yung mga styles din and yung mga designs ng other designers. So I also can learn from them and get experience sa kanila. So at the moment I'm still at the learning stage.
Totoo din. Pero tanungin natin si Kendra.
Kendra Maya! Uh-huh.
Yes. Since madalas natin kasi siyang nakikita sa mga fashion shows,
Yeah.
how different it is wearing cauliflower's designs?
It's very unique, actually. Like you said earlier, I feel very more me. It's very me. I like how you gave me the clothes based on my personality, based on my style. I really, really. It's so.
It's giving.
It's giving.
It's
Oo,
giving.
basta it's
Hindi kasi pag
giving.
nakikita nyo din talaga yung social media ni Kenz,
Yeah.
talagang ganito yung aesthetic niya. Oo, yung very playful, very very colorful. Yeah, I got ya, right, girl?
I feel like I'm talking to Kendall Jenner, actually. Wow!
How about you? How do you feel with the cauliflower's design?
Amazing.
Amazing!
Amazing.
Ang galing.
It's gorgeous, it's unique, and I love it. Thank you.
Yeah, very, very unique nga naman
Totoo.
talaga. At sa tingin nyo po ba, ma'am, in the near future, mag-iiba, mag-i-evolve itong ganitong klase ng pagde-design natin? We're not just gonna be using recycled materials na.
Well, as much as possible po, I would still want to use recycled materials because, again, marami pong mga outfits dyan who needs tender loving care or at least a second chance. And also kasi may mga fabric talaga, like for instance, denim, mahirap po kasi siyang ma-decompose. So, if pwede pa siyang gamitin, if pwede pa siyang i-upcycle, why not? Pero of course, I would still create outfits from new materials. But again, as much as possible, we also want to save the world.
Yes.
And ayun.
So,
and
ma-incorporate
produce
pa rin ang recycling.
Yes.
Oo. Yung isang model natin, tanungin din natin si Alice. Do you think by wearing this kind of designs, ikaw din mismo maging designer in the future?
Actually, ngayong bata pa po ako, I'm thinking to be a designer and a model at the same time po. Kasi, yung mami ko po, mahilig din po siya mag-design and she's helping Tita Steph po to create new clothes for us po. And yeah.
Gusto din niya.
Mm.
Halos lahat na yata ngayon inspired na.
Totoo.
Kasi alam mo dito sa Baguio City, it's a creative city nga siya. So there are a lot of designers na magkakaiba yung aesthetic nila. Although they're doing the same na nagre-recycle, mapapansin at mapapansin mo yung pagkakaiba nila sa bawat
And masasabi mo, ito kay Ma'am Steph to. Ganon.
eto, oo,
Oo,
halata.
diba? Sinong
Oo.
hindi ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong, ang ganda pala.
Diba?
Ang
Oo,
ganda.
during the Revitalized Fashion Show nga talagang pagkatingin mo pa lang ng kanyang collection, sabi, papaganon ka talaga.
Paano?
Sabi ko talaga, girl. Oo.
Ah.
Pero aside from etong pagde-design po ninyo, I heard that you also bake cookies.
Yes. Yes, I
Oo.
actually bake
Ah.
Yan,
cookies.
nagbe-bake siya ng cookies and
Yes.
at the same time, you're already selling these cookies as well.
Yes po.
Ito po ba
Yes.
yung pinang-memorianda niyo sa mga models?
Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
Actually, kasi I think it's also important that they would have the sugar rush. Although, syempre, diet, kailangan din po ng sugar rush, lalo na pag yung bonggang rampahan or yun nga po, like for instance, from morning until gabi, kailangan din po nila ng energy. So, it really helps na may cookies sila or at least may merienda sila. And this is actually Choco Macadamia. So, sugar rush talaga siya.
Literal, oo.
Oo. Naku, ayan. Ma'am Stephanie, ano pong mensahe natin sa mga nais din pong pasukin ang mundo ng pagde-design? At lalong-lalo na sa panahon natin na napakadami na rin ng kompetisyon.
Well, yung pinaka-advice ko lang po is follow your dreams, follow your passion. So sometimes it's gonna be hard, but as long as you continue what you do and you love what you do, na hindi kayo nasa-stress, it's very important din po kasi for your mental health to be creative and to have an outlet. So ayun nga po, ang pinaka-importante is you have to love what you do and you have to follow your dreams. And one day, you will get the opportunity to showcase your designs and your creation.
Saan po ba nila makikita itong mga designs po natin? And are this available?
These are basically made to order po sila. At the moment, made to order. Kasi syempre, the outfits po are, some of them are already bought by the models. So, pero pwede ko naman pong i-recreate for you. And also, if you have like a particular style or a particular design, I can create it for you. Just message me po sa Facebook.
Yung
Cauliflower.
Facebook lang po.
Sa Facebook lang po at the moment.
Ayun.
Tama, alam mo, pag pumupunta ka sa fashion show, bumili ka din. Ito nga, straight from the runway.
Yes.
I
Diba?
like that. Sabi kong gano'n, binenta talaga sa akin, bakla.
Hala,
Binili ko talaga
I really
sa
hope,
talaga.
ma'am, mabdamitan mo din ako someday. Kasi
Yes.
trip na
Oo.
trip ko
Gusto
talaga.
ko
yung
retaso lang talaga. Parang feeling ko, bagay mo ang mga ganito din.
Yeah, ang
Oo.
cute nung orange.
Yeah. Any message din para sa mga models out there? You pass on the message to the fellow young
models.
Well, actually, I'm a beginner in modeling, so I want to inspire others and I want to encourage others to start their modeling career because it's really fun and this is where you can boost your confidence.
Hello, it's me again. Sorry. Anyways, don't forget to be yourself, be authentic, because authenticity is what makes you shine on the runway or in the photo shoot. Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Sorry.
Question is,
Message, just your message.
My message for the young model out here, just be yourself and never change yourself kasi pag nag-change ka and then you don't know what to do na, parang hindi mo na magbibigay yung best mo for the modeling career that you are boosting. And yeah.
ang little girl naman, si baby girl.
For all of the young models out there, for all of you young models out there, my advice is to never give up on your dreams, because if you never give up on your dreams, you will achieve them in a way of having more confidence and hard work.
In a way. Miss Baguio 2038.
Gigigil ako sa mga batang ito.
Galing
Pag
nila.
English nila, ibang-iba.
Iba pa yung aura at laglakad nila. Iba pa yung Q&A.
Yes, oo. Thank you so much once again, Ma'am Stephanie Degawan of Cauliflower Creations. No, once
gusto
again,
naman,
the
ma'am.
creation of Ma'am Stephanie Degawan. Degawan,
oh, ma'am.
Diba nakakatuwa? Oo.
Pero baka may gusto ka namang batiin din, mga
Yeah,
shout
oo.
out.
Do you want to greet anyone?
Well, hello, family. And also, you can watch me po, or you can watch my new collection sa Baguio Vogue on September 20 sa Convention Center. Yun lang.
Ay, kailan yun?
Sa September 20 po.
Anong klaseng fashion show ito?
It's Cordillera po. Vogue. Baguio Vogue.
Oh! Baguio po.
Yes.
Yung gumaganon-ganon sila, tapos magde-death drop. Di ba? Once again, mga ka